Another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to insert a cam into the Automata box provided in Activity 4.1.7. Excuse me. So when we get in here, one thing to know is that the Automata box, you're not creating it from scratch. There is a preloaded one in Onshape, and how you access that is inside of Activity 4.1.7. If we scroll down a little bit, we're going to be looking at this, and we're going to actually click on this link right here. Okay? And when we do that, what we're going to get is this box, and of course it's going to say at the top, excuse me, make a copy to edit. So let's make a copy. You can put it in owned by me and copy it to there. So, sorry, I have something in my throat today. Here's how it works, right? So I have the Automata box, I have my followers, I have these rulers that show me, the follower displacement, and I have my turn crank, which turns around this axis. I'm going to need to insert my cam models from Activity 4.1.2 and 4.1.6, which that's the 4.1.2 is the parametric cam, one of these four that you modeled previously. Okay, this one I should not see in there. This is like the one that we did together. You'll do one of these four. So if you haven't done this yet, you need to go back and do that first. The other cam is going to be from Activity 4.1.6. It's going to be your custom cam that you designed. So I'll show you how to insert one cam, and then you can do the other one on your own. And to insert this cam, we're going to go up to Insert, and we want to tab over to Other Documents because the cam that we're interested in putting in is inside of another document. So click over to here, and then it might lead you to a page that you had previously been on. So if you were on the VexIQ parts, maybe you were there. If you hit this home button, this takes you back to your, basically home page. And we want to find wherever you save your cam to. So I think I put mine in here. I did. Okay. So yours is probably in the owned by me, or you could even find it in recently opened. Mine is here. You have to find yours. So when you click on your cam or your part studio that you're interested in, when it pops up, it might say something like this, and it's telling you, okay, my text is probably a little bit different than what yours might be, but it's telling you that you need to create a version in order to upload it. Just click on this button. It says create version, name it whatever it defaults as, and hit create. Then I can add in the part from my part studio. So now I have my cam from my previous part studio, and all I need to do is put the cam onto this axle. I'm going to do that with the fasten mate. I'm going to hit fasten, and I'm going to choose the front face of this cam and this axle. Now, when I do that, I can see that this is a little off center, okay? I want this cam to be directly underneath the middle of one of these. So I need to offset this along the Z-axis. And at this point, I'll just kind of guess and check. If I move it half an inch, that gets me a little bit closer. If I move 0.6, I'm not quite there yet. 0.65, now I'm kind of where I need to be. And I can hit check. The problem is, when I rotate this cam, the follower doesn't move with it. So, what I need to do is create a tangent relationship between this rounded bottom here and this cam. So I'll click on Tangent Mate, and I'll first select the face of roller 3 in this case. I guess I have these numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I will select the edge of my cam. And notice how that places this right onto the edge. And when I hit check, now what happens is as I rotate this crank, my follower will move. So there you go. Now what you'll need to do is put in your custom cam onto one of these other followers. Does not matter which one, as long as it's on a different follower. And when you turn this crank, you see the motion being produced. The other thing that you need to do per the assignment instructions is create an exploded view of this. The exploded view tab is here. You'll create your exploded view by clicking on pieces and dragging them out to create your exploded view. If you don't remember how to do that, go back and look at my video on making exploded views. Thanks. Hope this helps you.